Hello and welcome to another video. BeanFX Trader. Our website is www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit our website to see the articles we have published in the past. Articles on how to trade Forex and volatility index. All right, our channel BeanFX Trader, I want you to subscribe to our channel. Those of you that have subscribed, we say a big thank you for encouraging us. Those of you that have not subscribed, please click the subscription button so that you get to see other videos we have published on strategies on how to trade Forex and volatility index. Okay, aside subscription, we want you to like our videos. The likes keeps us, keeps the algorithm, to detect and then push our videos to other viewers that may be interested in the strategy. So please hit the like button, please. And we want you to make comments, ask questions below the video. If you do not understand any part of the video, ask questions below the video. All right. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Okay. Also, click the bell button below the video. The bell button below the video is for notification, so that when we publish a new video, you'll be notified on your screen or on your mobile device, and you'll be the first to see that video. All right. Now, today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade Forex or volatility index on MT5 or MT4. It's a simple strategy. Okay, but I have volatility 75 index on my chart, 5-minute chart. Okay, now I'll explain how you can use this strategy. It is indicator based, how you can use it to trade volatility 75 index on the 5-minute time frame. All right, I have just two windows. I have the main window. This is the main window, and I have indicator window 1. Okay, this is indicator window 1. Now on the main window, I have some indicators on the main window. Let's look at the settings. Okay, I have fractals. I like to use fractals a lot. Fractals help me to spot the point of price rejection on the chart. All right, so once I have a fractal indicator showing on my chart, I know that is like a bottom or a top. Okay, a temporary bottom or a temporary top. All right, and that tells me whether I have resistance area or I have support area to price. Okay, so that's basically the reason why I like to put fractals on my chart. Okay, now on the main window, we have moving average, 13 period moving average, simple moving average. Apply to close. The color is red. Okay, apart from that 13 period moving average, I have two Bollinger Bands. The first Bollinger Band is a 35 period Bollinger Band. Okay, deviation is 1.618. Apply to close, and the color is green. 35 period Bollinger Bands, deviation is 1.618. Okay, the shift is 0. Apply to close, and the color is green. Now the second Bollinger Band, you have 35 period Bollinger Band, but this time around the deviation is 0.020. Okay, and the shift is 0. Apply to close. The color is gray. Okay, I'll take it again. 35 period Bollinger Bands, deviation is 0.020, shift is 0. Apply to close, and the color of the star is gray. All right, let's look at the main chart. This is the main chart. Okay, now when the red line, which is our 13 period moving average, let me start from the beginning. Okay, now when the red line, which is our 13 period moving average, when it crosses down the mid band where we have the gray Bollinger Band, right? When it crosses down, you start to sell at this point. Okay, so basically when the 13 period moving average crosses down, on the gray Bollinger Band, you sell. When it crosses up, you buy. Let's look at the place where it crosses up. Okay, there's a cross up here telling you to buy. All right. Okay, so when you have a cross down, you sell. When you have a cross up, you buy. Okay, that's basically the essence of the main chart. Okay, now aside that, when uh the price cross down, when price cross down below the lower band and comes up, you may have a tempo like a support. Okay, when price goes really down below the chart, okay, like you have around here, you may have a support like you have it around here again. You might have a support like price dipping down below the lower band and then popping up. Okay, you tend to have support. Same thing with the resistance. When price goes above the upper band, okay, and dips back into the Bollinger Band, you will have a top. Okay, like you have another top here. Okay, like price going out of scope and then returning back into the area, okay, of the Bollinger Band in the upper area, then you have your top. Okay, and you can see what happened. Price dipped. Okay, like now we're having bottom here right now, so price may likely go up. All right, this 5-minute chart, don't forget. Now let's look at the settings on the indicator with the one. We have stochastic oscillator. Okay, the percentage K period is 1, percentage D period is 1, slowing is 1, price field is low / high. The method is simple. The color of the main style is matches with the background color. The color of the signal style also will match with the background color. Then the level will be 20 and 80, and the color is black. All right, so that's the stochastic oscillator indicator. Now let's look at the relative strength index indicator. Now it's a 9-period RSI. Apply to close. The color matches the background color of the price chart. Okay, another indicator on the indicator window one is 250 period moving average. The method is linear weight applied to previous indicators data, and the color is deep blue. All right. Another one is 200 period moving average. Okay, the method is linear weight applied to previous indicators data, and this around the color is green. Okay, and the third one is 1 period moving average. Method is linear weight applied to close this time around, and the color is red. Now the way it works on indicator window one is when the red line, okay, when it crosses the 200 and 250 period moving averages, when it crosses down, you sell. Okay, when it crosses up, you buy. Okay, like you have a cross up here, you buy. All right, don't forget, when it crosses down, like you have around here, you sell, and when it crosses up, like you have around here, you buy. Now when it flickers above the 80 period, okay, like it's doing here, you know your price is forming a resistance, and price may likely fall. Okay, now when it flickers above the 80 period like it's doing here, and it also goes sharply above the upper band and returns into the within the Bollinger Band, and you have like a repetition like you're having here, you know you are having your top is formed and price may start to dip. Okay, now when you have the opposite of it, like the moving average on indicator window one flickering below the 20 level, like you have here and you have here, you know you're having your bottom. Okay, like support, and you can see what's happening. Look at what's happening right now. Price is going up. Okay, we expect it to go up. All right, so that's the way this strategy works. It's a good strategy. Make sure you check it with what has happened in time past. Is it usable? Can you use it? Will it work for you? Backtest it. then try it on demo account. Make sure you try new strategy on demo account before going live. It is very, very important. With the demo account, you can test the functionality of the strategy, whether it's what your trial. Okay, now that's that. Aside that, when you have the on the main chart, when you have the price trending, when it's trending between the red line and the lower band in a slanting manner, okay, like a 45-degree manner, you have your trend. Look at what's happening here. You have your trend. Okay, it's just ranging between the red line, the mid band, and the lower band. You have a trend formation. Okay, this is downtrend. Same thing for uptrend, when it begins to range between the upper band and the red line. Okay, that's your uptrend formation, like what you have here. It's just ranging between the mid band, the red line, and the upper band. Okay, you have your uptrend. So don't forget that. That's an additional strategy for the main chart. Okay, so that's that. Don't forget the crossing, red line crossing. When it crosses up, like it has just crossed up here, okay, you have to buy. Okay, when it crosses down, like red line cross down around here, you have to sell. Okay, so you don't just sell, you also look at what is happening on the indicator window. One is there a top? Can you find a top? Like we have a top here, and is the red line going towards the mid band? Is it crossing the mid band? Those are the things you consider with what is happening on the main chart. Then you take your trade, you make your decision, and you take your trade. All right, so that's that about this strategy. A good strategy. You can try it out, you will like it. It's a good strategy. I use it and it works for me, and I know it will work for you. So just give it a try, just test it. Make sure you test it on demo account. Don't rush to live account so that you don't end up losing your money. Make sure you test it very well on demo account before you go live. All right, that's that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, don't forget to like our video, and don't forget to hit the notification button, the bell button below the video, and make comments. If you don't understand any part of the video, if you don't understand any part of this strategy, you can ask question below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also go to our website www.benefxtrader.com to see other strategies we have published in the past that may be useful to you or that you may like and may want to test. Okay, so till I come your way next time, is bye for now.